My first question is, what is AI certification and why is it important?
Perfect. So, as you know, and in your introduction, you mentioned that Trustarc has been doing certifications for many years. In fact, over 20 years, we're globally known and recognized for our seals. We have several privacy certifications that we deliver um, to thousands of companies globally. So, um, and as you know, with the growing concerns around AI, how it is influencing consumer behavior, consumer decision making, and of course things to do with privacy compliance and data protection. So a lot of our customers started asking us questions about what is our approach towards AI. Are we Do we have a solution around it? And we started hearing a lot of these questions and getting a lot of these questions from our customers. So the starting point was our customers coming to us and asking us about some solutions. To start with, we did develop some some assessment templates which we have in our SaaS product to alleviate some of those concerns. But again, those were very short term and limited. And then as and when we heard a lot of these concerns, we went to different events like IAPP and we read a lot of these research papers, and I would like to share some of the findings here about the AI and the trust landscape. We especially like to talk about a couple of the reports that came in front of us. IAPP did a research very recently, I think the middle of last year, and which show that 60% of consumers have already lost trust in organizations over the use of AI. So which is a growing concern, and most of our customers also had the same concern. That's why they were coming to us. There was another research that Gartner did, and it was late last year, a very recent report, which says that the companies who would prioritize AI transparency, trust, and security will see a 50% improvement in AI model adoption, business goals, and user acceptance overall by the year 2026. So um, the concerns or the requirements of the users plus with these things, and then obviously there are growing concerns about different AI laws which are coming up. We have the EU AI Act, we have the NIST AI risk management framework, we have the OECD framework, we have several other laws which are coming up. So all of these combined, that sort of led us to creating this offering, which we are now calling the responsible AI certification. So that's the reason why we built it. Now to your question, like what is the AI certification? So what we have done here is we have created a proprietary framework, and I'll show you the framework here. So it's a proprietary framework that Trustarc has created, which basically includes multiple different AI privacy laws around the globe. So it includes laws like the OECD principles, the NIST AI risk management framework, the ISO IEC 48001. In fact, the White House blueprint for the AI Bill of Rights as well. So a lot of these frameworks, the EU AI Act as well. So a lot of these frameworks, an amalgamation of these laws, we created a framework which is our proprietary framework, which is basically we have broken that into 7 sections. Now we are assessing organizations' AI governance against this particular framework through a assessment, helping them with finding the gaps, helping them with the remediation, and then finally giving them a seal which they can demonstrate on their website, a seal which is similar to this, the Trustee Responsible AI Seal, which they can demonstrate. And we're also giving a letter of attestation that can be demonstrated on digital properties, given to regulators, given to partners, just to demonstrate the trust, um, um, to demonstrate trust in the AI governance practices that the organization is doing.